Hey you guys, welcome back for color of the day. Isn't this amazing? I freaking love it. Okay, anyways, so let's see, what are we on? Color of the day, day 18, right? Yes. Color of the day, day 18 is the Moodstruck Powder Blush, which is actually limited edition. If you hurry, you might be lucky enough to find this exact shade. Given the color scheme on my eyes, I thought it only correct that this particular color be spirited. Look at that. Now again, because I don't have a full face on, I don't want to, what did I do with my brush? Interesting. I don't want to do anything that would overpower it. Oh, that's right here in front of me. Anyway, so this particular one is actually metallic. All right, so let's get a little bit here on the brush. So again, it's just gonna be the back of my hand. Just dab, 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 dab. So that's just one coat of it. Let's see if we can actually get some on there for you. There we go. There we go, spirited. Ta-da. It's a metallic blush. Let's see if maybe I can get it to focus. It's not gonna focus. But you can see the shine from the metallic-iness of the blush. It's freaking awesome. You almost don't even need a highlight with this. Like, it's blush and highlight in one. For your cheeks, for your cheeks. You can definitely still use a highlight if you want. Anyways, if you're interested in this limited edition shade, simply use the link at the bottom of this description for this video. I can't even talk. Da, 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 da. Once on the website, go to shop, then select the face category and scroll down to Moodstruck Powder Blush. There should be a green star next to it that tells you it is limited edition. Anywho, thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this fun look as well as that amazing blush, which is showing up a lot better now that I'm way back here. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go clean this off and go to bed because I think I am done for tonight. Tomorrow is gonna be way busy as it is. So, yeah, I'm gonna go. You guys have a good night. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, as always, I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!